Hi, today I'm going to cook a pie with meat, potato, onions, and I'm gonna add carrot. The main ingredients are meat, onion, and potato. I just want to add carrot so the filling has more flavor. And I'm gonna add salt and spices. I use ground beef. And this is about half pound. For dough, I'm gonna use a whole wheat flour. You can use any flour, like regular white flour. I just have this one and I need to use it. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil so the dough be soft. And I'm using the Kalamata olive oil. I found it on sale in H-E-B. And I'm gonna use cup of yogurt. No water here, only yogurt. I made this yogurt myself. If you wanna see how to make yogurt at home without a yogurt maker, easy. Just add a tablespoon of yogurt in a warm milk and leave it for next day. Next day you're gonna have yogurt. For detailed video you can watch my other video. I will put link in the description. And I'm gonna add pinch of soda, just a little bit. Also gonna work without soda, but I always add some. I diced all the vegetables. Here's my 4 potatoes, 2 carrots diced, and this is 3 diced onions. I also want to add dry dill, just pinch. Now I need to add filling in the pie. Now I need to make some holes in the pie just with the fork so the pressure and steam gets out. All the pots have covers with the holes and this helps to release the pressure. So this is the same thing. Just make holes and all the extra steam will get out, but the juice of the filling will not get out. It's gonna be same beautiful. So now to make the pie more cute, you can take egg yolk or egg whites, just a little bit, and put it on top, or you can do it just with yogurt. I will do it with yogurt, just like this, but with egg it looks better. I want to show you what you will get if you put yogurt. With eggs it's gonna be like polished pie. I'm gonna put it in oven. The pie is ready. Look how nice looks the carrot inside. It's not just the white potatoes and onions. I hope you like this recipe. It's pretty easy and fast to make it. Subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.